Hey guys, welcome to my channel. The PlayStation 5 is finally announced. Now this is after 7 long years and the first impressions, I really love it. This time there are two editions. One is the normal PlayStation and second is the digital edition. This is pretty interesting, but I am more into the digital edition. Now what this means is that the normal edition will have a inbuilt Blu-ray player as on the left, and the digital edition, which is on the right, will let you download games on it. Now let's take a look at the DualSense controllers. Now these match the aesthetics of the console box. I like the LEDs that give the controller a very neat look. Now some on Twitter are saying that the PS5 looks like a router. Basically, some hate it and some like it. I am pretty impressed with it and the first looks seem really good. At the launch, they showed off many games and some new devices like the DualSense charging station, the cameras, the wireless headset, and first time a media remote. These all go really well with the PS5 and I am truly looking forward to them. Now let's see what's new on the inside. It has a 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray player, which we spoke about at the start, along with an ultra high speed SSD. Now what this means is that games like the GTA 5, which is a pretty heavy game, will run pretty smoothly without any stutters. They've also introduced something known as ray tracing. Ray tracing basically enables reflections in the games. Reflections like glass reflections or mirror reflections, or for that matter reflections in water, basically enhancing the graphics and the gameplay. Now the controller has some changes too. Like, it has always had haptic feedback, but now it also has adaptive triggers, along with a USB-C port, some motion sensing, a microphone, speaker, and also a headset jack, which just increases the possibilities and is pretty cool. The last part, they have also introduced something known as 3D audio, which will be pretty amazing to see. That's all from me. Do let me know in the comment section below if you are interested in the PS5 and which edition would you be getting, or are you an Xbox person? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.